It is March 18, 2018, and I'm in Glen Ellyn, the first and last nighttime video of a METRA Train. There's another Tron in 9 minutes. I'm not gonna fucking wait around for it. It's exciting to make videos of Trons. Trons are fucking cool. I wish I was riding that Tron. The green lights on the Tron are fucking cool. It's fucking cool, the METRA Trons that have these nice green lights on them. Oh, I wish I was riding that Tron. The people live in the Chicago area are such lucky fucking bastards. They have so many Trons to ride. It's exciting to make videos of Trons. Yeah, tomorrow I'm going back to Metropolis. And I can see that there's a green light over there, which means a freight Tron is going to be coming by. That's the last Tron that goes into Chicago for the night. God, I missed the Chicago area, but I'm so glad at least I got... And I have Asperger's in her, and I make the most interesting Trons videos in the world. I used to ride my bike out here to watch the Trons go by when I was only 10 years old. And I was back in the days before I had pubic hair. And that's when they had the green and yellow Chicago and Northwestern Trons. And I wish I had a camcorder like this back then, because I wasn't able to make videos of those green and yellow Chicago and Northwestern Trons. Well, I need to get rusted up for the night because unfucking fortunately I got to go back to Metropolis tomorrow. I'll probably try to make a few more Tron videos before I go back home, though.